welcome back to my channel. This is Stacy. I will put my Instagram handle up here, and if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Today we have another unboxing from Simply Gilded. She had her warehouse sale maybe in the last week. I really would have loved to have gone in person to the sale that she had at their warehouse in Texas, but unfortunately it's a little bit of a ways for me, and I knew that she was going to have a sale online, so that's the next best thing. Maybe some other time, some other day, if she has another event. But I did go ahead and pick up a couple of items. I was really good. I refrained from picking up the washi mystery box, the $120 box with, like, I don't know, I think it was like 150 washi tapes. I have a lot. There's a good chance that I've gotten some of the items that would have been in there because I have purchased a mystery box before, and that is in my channel if you go back a few videos. So if you're interested in seeing a preview of what you might get, that's there for you. But I picked up an album unboxing. You can never have too many albums. I pick up a lot of sticker shop sticker sheets, and I love having a way to store them. So if you want to see what's in this bag, stick around. So let's take out the contents. I'm gonna put my invoice to the side, and here we go. Okay, so first thing on top is a mystery, well, maybe this isn't it. I think this might be a freebie. Yes, this is a freebie. I was gonna say, I think I picked up a, I thought I had picked up a, oh, what do they call it? Not a journaling card, but I'm at a loss for words, and when I do figure it out, I'll probably stick it here somewhere, but passport. I think I decided against it and took it out of my cart. But oh, I'm so pleased with the freebie. So I got a freebie washi, and it's Jasper eating that cute little popsicle. So super fun. I'm so happy to have received that. Thank you. And then you get a sampler freebie and some deco sheet stickers. This is the Ice Cream Dream. Gorgeous. And this journaling card is adorable. So my youngest daughter started kindergarten, and it was so fun to go shopping with her. I have 3 girls. They are now 17, almost 11, and now 5. And it was so fun to go shopping with her for all her school supplies and you know, backpack and all the things, and she just went full on unicorn. So I need to find a way to incorporate this into her supplies in some way, because it's a unicorn, 2 unicorns. I love it. Lovely. She's gonna definitely want this. Okay, so then I picked up the vegan leather scalloped wallet. I've peeked at this a couple of times, and it was on sale for $6. And I love the color pink. I love scalloped edge everything, and I thought it would be a nice little addition to my purse. You can put a keychain on there. It's got a D-ring. It's got 2 card slots here, and this you just kind of squeeze open, and you can maybe throw in some money there. I wouldn't advise coins because there's no zipper to it, but you know, if you want to switch to a on-the-go bag, or like a clutch, which I happen to have right here. This is from Aura Estelle. The color is not exact match, but that's okay. But it's a perfect little addition for a small handbag. So that is partially why I picked this up. And then I have a wristlet here that I could pretty much put on there as well. If I was still in my clubbing days, that would be a good option, but those days are long gone. All right, so we'll put this one to the side. I picked up 2 jumbo bows. This one is Sweet Lilac. Sorry for all the crinkling. And it has gold hardware. And if you haven't seen it before, there are some folks that use these to put on a cover of a planner. Planning Fancy is one that comes to mind that does some DIYs with her planners, and that is where I got inspiration from to DIY my own planners, and I am a happy planner. Mini HP is what I've used in the past, and I've shown this before that I DIY these covers and stick a big bow on it. So I didn't have this color, so I picked this one up. And then I also picked up the eggplant. I wanted to be sure that I get all the colors that I wanted while I get the chance before they get sold out. And this one's stunning. I love the eggplant color, and I love that it has rose gold hardware. I can't wait to see what I do with this. I may have to do a planner cover of some sort sometime in the future. So that is that. And then this one is the mystery album bundle. So this was $20. The bows, the jumbo bows, were $5. And it came with a charm, and she did say they likely were not going to be a match, and that's totally okay with me. So a gold mini bow, and it has a ring down here so you could attach additional charms if you wanted to. Very pretty. And then a pink album in small. And it looks like it has gold hardware. D-ring. Oh, and it's got the, what is this called? Tie-dye on the inside. So pretty. Love that. I don't think I have this album in my collection. Or maybe I do. Okay, so that's that one. And then we've got a purple album with silver hardware. And the inside is purple. So this is the large album. So for reference, I mean, either one of those would be a stunning contrast if you wanted to make this into a planner cover. And then a journaling card that matches the washi. How lucky am I that I got a match. And last but not least, a sampler and a really cute bow. That's a cute match for like a Halloween type setup. So there you go. That is my fairly small warehouse sale unboxing. I really did refrain from getting more than this. Honestly, I could have jam-packed it. I refrained from going overboard because again, I have lots of washi. I really do, and I thought that I was starting to become a collector and thought I should rein it back just a little bit for now. All right, guys, so thanks so much for watching. Please do give this video a like, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support, appreciate you watching, and if I don't see you here, I'll see you over on Instagram. Take care. Bye.